everyone, I'm Kathy Davis and welcome to my kitchen. I want to show you my favorite pancake recipe based off of the pancakes at a diner that I really love in Pittsburgh. I really like this recipe because they taste awesome, but also because it's going to help you remember the 3 things you need to be successful during finals week: advanced planning, breaks, and a good night's rest. So try these. I hope you like them. The magic of what makes these pancakes so good is actually to have some fat in the pan so that the pancakes get these nice crispy edges. So I'm going to add just a little bit of butter and a tiny bit of oil. And yes, this feels like overkill. I promise you it is really worth it. So you go ahead and let the stuff sizzle in the pan and pick it up and kind of spread the oil around. You want it to coat pretty well. So what I'm going to do is to take about a 1/4 cup of batter. So I just use a regular measuring cup. And it's kind of like making crepes, if anybody's done this before, where you just want to spread it around the pan. And I'm going to actually add a little bit more. I'm not quite happy with that amount. I like mine just a little bit thicker than the recipe calls for. But as it starts to set in the pan, you want to actually pick the pan up off the heat and just tilt it. And let it tilt nice and easy so that you start coating the inside of your pan with yummy, yummy pancake batter. That's all there is to pancakes. Mix up, cook, and serve, and let your favorite people eat them. Enjoy. Good luck, Spartans, during finals week, and don't forget to plan, to take breaks, and to get a good night's rest. Good luck.